Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? We're finna do something different we ain't never done before, no kind of project. I don't do many project videos because I get frustrated and don't ever finish them. Hold me to finishing this one. Build a crawfish trap. Been wanting one. I've got one that'll work, but I want to build one. Got us some wire. I hope it's right. Best I can find local. Got us some clips to put it together with. Some pliers to put the clips on with. I've never used any of this I'm using, ever. Tape measure, like I know how to read that. No plans. I had never seen one built like I'm finna build. Just put that out there. I'll bring y'all back when we get started cutting and tell you exactly the dimensions I'm going for and everything. Gotta do a little more math, try to get it all out of this one roll. I think I paid like $12 for this roll and about $12 for the clips and the tool. But once you got the tool, you don't have to buy that again. But that'll be nice. Alright, we'll be back here directly. So this in here, if you wanted to be cheap, you could probably use this wire to put everything together they give you to unwrap. I mean, it's, damn. Why it's so long, I don't know. I'm assuming this is going to spring out like a jack-in-the-box when I get it unwrapped. Make everything even better, I can't find my snips I want, so I'm going to use what I can find, because that's how I do shit around here. Seen them yesterday, in the toolbox I just looked for through. I may have set them somewhere where I remember where they are. Because I do shit like that. Anybody that knows me knows that. Wow, yeah, it's gonna spring apart. Be careful. Don't get your beaters caught up in it. But you could actually use this to weave it together. I may on the next one if this one's successful. Show you the cheapest way you can do this probably. Yeah. Alright, this is what I was afraid of, how hard it's going to be to unwrap. I'll be back when I get ready to cut the first piece. I think we're going to make it 18 by 2 foot by 1 foot tall. We're going to see how that works. I hope I have enough wire to do a whole trap here. If not, I may have to go back and get some more. If I do, it might take a week for y'all to see this video. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh yeah, and I found the clippers I was looking for. Alright. Make a couple of cuts, show y'all what I'm doing here. I measured and I came and counted down. You want to stay lined up. You want to cut them as close as you can because you don't want no sharp edges. Couldn't have to go find some off because the mosquitoes are fucking killing me. Alright, I'm gonna cut y'all off. There's no sense in y'all watching all the boring cuts. Alright, to try to get all the material out of one roll, it's only gonna be a foot tall, or 6 inches tall, not a foot. It's gonna be 18 by 24 by 6 inches. Not really what I want to do, but I don't want to have to run out and buy another roll today. If I don't like it, we'll take it apart and put it back together. Because that's the way I do shit. Double work, harder work, every time. Yeah, it's crazy. Mosquitoes are tearing my ass up. I can't find my off. And it's hot and I'm dripping wet, humid. East Texas is a lovely place. Alright, we're going to get all the sides cut out and put that together. Then we're going to go figure out how we're going to work the doors. Okay. Probably not going to have enough product to do the doors today. It's going to be close. We'll see when we get there. I know I'm not, but we'll see when I get there. If not, this may be a 2-part video because I'm not going to draw one out for a week. I'll probably finish this. I'm clipping it together now. I'm going to show you a little footage of that, not a bunch. I'm not wearing gloves. I suggest if you do this at home, wear some leather gloves. I've got little pricks everywhere, but I've got mosquito bites covering them up, so we're alright. Alright. We can go to work, get this thing clipped together, show you what the halfway finished product looks like. What I'm going to try to do is probably make a catch door and a release door on one end. It'll be my first one I've ever made. If I don't like that, we'll take it apart, go back, add catch doors on both ends, and in the top, put a door where we can get our crawfish out. Alright, this video is probably going to be 8 years long as it is. Show y'all a little bit of putting these clips together, how they work, and we'll go in the video when we finish with the video, how to be a screw up. There's a double end and a single end. I've been putting the wrap part, the pre-wrap part, in the double end. I'm going to come along here. This would be easier if I had somebody help me film. And just crimp it down. I'm only going to put 4 per side right now. When I get it all put together, I'll go back and reinforce it some. This one will have 5 because I got one I screwed up. Imagine that, Big John screwing one up. Okay, there's got to be a faster way to do this, a better way to do this. Don't be scared in the comments to tell me, hey Big John, you're an idiot. We build rabbit cages all the time. That's not how that works. And I do like how simple they are once you figure it out. Put the other side on. And this would be a lot easier if you had 8 hands. Not 2, not 4, 8 hands. And for everybody that's out there laughing at me right now, we all started somewhere. Alright, lifers. This is going to be a 2-part video. This will be the first part, me cutting out everything, basically getting it together. I'm going to have to buy another roll. When I get the other roll bought and I get it put together, I'll show you that. And making a door for let the fish in, or the crawfish in and out. And me setting it and checking it. So the next video will be longer than this one probably. Alright, this ain't the easiest stuff I've ever done in the world. What I want to do, I want to challenge all the small creators that watch my channel that do something with fishing or trapping. Y'all build a crawfish trap. Do a video on it. And we'll see whose works out better. I know Fox Hill's already done one. I'm gonna challenge quite a few of them. Everybody I do, I'll add in the description. I want some of y'all do it. Come on, let's have some fun. It's hot, ain't nothing else going on. And everybody that's local, if y'all do it, we'll do it this spring. We'll take them all out, catch a bunch and have a boil, because I can cook. All right, like, share, subscribe, and we gone.